rock and roll, living a dream, super excited. I'm with Scotty, and I asked Scotty, what does he, I said, what do you want out of life? And he gave me a brilliant answer, which I agree with total 100%, except for one word. Go ahead.
Yeah, so there's a lot of stuff that we think that we should be doing in this lifetime that we have. You know, there's a lot of opinions about, well, for me, I got a lot of questions about, you know, where we at right now and what's going to happen after this lifetime. But how we can determine that is what we're doing right now in this present moment, is how we live in life and what's going to happen after we live here. Or what are we doing here right now is a process of preparing to die, right? This whole process, prepare to die. And you can control.
Look at these trees, they're freaking beautiful. Man, they're not preparing to die.
Because this is springtime. Actually, spring is when everything is coming back to life.
Yeah, everything comes back to life.
So, and this is what we're doing. So we are just replicas off nature as well. So you see how nature loses its leaves and it's come back, loses its life and it's come back. That's what we're doing right now.
Unbelievable.
Because that tree was once a seed and we are seeds as well. So we are seeds incubating, and once you start to, you know, we die and come back to life, maybe not in these same bodies, but as a different seed and as a different form of consciousness. Same thing the trees is doing. They die and come back, and that's what we're doing. So what do we need to do in order to live a much better, healthier, prosperous, more efficient life for the next life, but actually doing it right now?
I agree with you. I am rocking and rolling, living the dream, positive mindset, focus on fruit. Every moment's a moment of love. That's my thing. Go ahead, young man.
Yeah, that's his thing right there. And it seems like what we're doing here in this lifetime is first and foremost helping ourselves, but we're helping a lot of other people as well. And that's like one of the, not one of the judgments right there, but when they say you are judged, when you put your heart on a scale, if it's lighter than the feather, like this is the works. This is the works right here.
That's been there. I haven't even looked at it. Whoa. Damn.
This is the works, you know?
Yeah.
How they always talk about, like, what are the works that need to be done in order to, you know, to get through the heaven gate. But little do we know, or we do know.
By the way, this is not father and son talk here.
This is like the birds and the bees talk right here.
Yeah.
Like, this is a lot of talks that we need to be having anyway, because this is what we are doing. This is what we are experiencing right now. So your process here is going to help your next process of where you want to be in this next lifetime. And we can control it, believe it or not. You can control your next destination, your next projection of this next life we're going to have. Because if you had the choice, would you want to come back to a reality like this? Like, sure, you know, it's not bad for some people, but for a lot of people, it's kind of bad because, you know, we're not living like a efficient lifestyle, and it's having a hard time. But that's what we're here for. We're here to alleviate some of that hard time and that hard stress by showing a way. And a way is, what we put in our body? Fruits. You know, just you want to be clean as possible, efficient as possible for this next go around.
Yeah,
so
no health, no wealth. I don't care what anybody says. No health, no wealth.
Facts.
Okay.
It's undisputable. So that was the message for today. So prepare to die. And protect yourself.
Rock and roll, living a dream. You turn it off?
No.
Turn it off.
Super excited.
Super excited.